Today I'm dressed as something like the 80s inspired and I like it. Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli and today I'm going to share with you all the things that I bought for this spring-summer season that is around the corner. Yes, we know we still have some cold days left, but good weather is around the corner and I'm very excited about it. So this gives me the chance of getting a whole new wardrobe, and most of the things that I got them at Primark. So basically this is a Primark haul with a few things here and there that are from different stores that I'm gonna tell you which ones are those. But yes, I hope this video doesn't turn out to be super long because I tend to talk a lot, so I apologize in advance if it does. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first is this sweater that I am wearing. I think it's super pretty. I love the color. It's kind of like a fluorescent pink, which is a trend that is coming. So you are going to see it in the stores. So this is a fluorescent pink sweater. It's like super cozy and it's kind of like a crop top. This sweater is so cute and pretty and it's so comfy, and you can dress it up or dress it down, however you prefer. So yeah, I'm in love. Next thing that I got is a pair of white jeans. You can never go wrong with a pair of white jeans. I love the jeans from Primark because they're very fitting. As I told you before, I have a very small waist, so I really struggle with jeans that fit me like in the hips area but also fit me in the waist, and this can accomplish that. These are high-waisted jeans and they are very fitting. They're slim, skinny, and they are also very thick fabric, so you're not gonna have any surprises showing with this white pants, which for me is a must. Next thing that I got was this gorgeous black denim skirt that has these gorgeous details on both sides, like silver rhinestones, and this also is high waist and it was only $7. It was on the sale section, so it's a win. The next thing that I got were these pants that I am absolutely in love with them. I love the colors. These are very, very light fabric, and in the bottom is like a wide leg because there are some that are like slimmer on the bottom, but I don't really like those. I like it when it's wide, so this one is perfect. It has like elastic in the waist, and you can also tie it here. These pants, one thing I love about them is that they are very versatile. You can dress them up or down, or you can also wear them on top of your swimsuit if you're going to the beach or something like that. So I thought they were very, very cute, and I'm sure I'm gonna wear them non-stop during the season. So talking about swimsuits, Primark has a wide selection of swimsuits that you can choose from, but the one that I was drawn to was this one, which is yellow, which is not a particular color that I look for in like a swimsuit, but I thought this one was super pretty. It's like a one piece, but at the same time it has like this cut in the front. It has this little detail on the chest area, and on the back is like super simple, but it looks so pretty when you try it on. And I thought that this is also something that you can wear maybe with like a high waist shorts or a skirt, and you can wear it as a bodysuit as well, so it's gorgeous. The next thing I found was this beautiful shirt dress or dress shirt. I don't know which one is it, but you get the idea. It's basically a shirt long enough that you can wear it as a dress. So I love this kind of dresses, and it's like loose, so you can wear it loose or you can wear it with a belt to accentuate your waist. This is black, white, and it has like this little brown color that maybe you cannot really see from there, but it's absolutely beautiful. And I got a belt that will be perfect for this dress, and I'm going to show it to you next. And this is the belt that I got for that dress. If you remember, these belts were trending last year too, so if you still have one of those, you can still wear it this year, and if you don't, I recommend you go and get one. These belts are so pretty, and as I told you, I have a very small waist, so I had to get an extra small because since it has two of these things that I don't really know how to call them, if it's too small for me, they're going to overlap in the front, and that's not how it's supposed to look. So I had to get an extra small to be able to have them like separate like this, and it looks so gorgeous. You can wear it with dresses, with shorts, with jeans. Very, very useful. So yes. Okay, so the next dress that I got was this one, which is so beautiful. I love the colors. I am obsessed with yellow lately, and this is like so summery. It looks super summery, but at the same time I think it has like a retro vibe, especially for these like little things that you tie up on the back. It reminds me of the dresses that my mom used to wear. So you can also have like this little knot tied in the sleeves, and it has buttons all down the front, and it's a bit fitted, but at the same time it's a bit loose. I don't know how to explain it, you would have to see it on, but it's beautiful. Next dress is this one, and it's so pretty. Florals are never gonna go out of style, so you can never go wrong with florals. This one is a black base, and it has pink and yellow flowers. This dress is absolutely beautiful. It's kind of like the same silhouette that the previous one, but this one has like a different shape here in the chest area that I also think is very like retro, and it has like a bit of like a fluffy sleeve. If you can see, it's kind of like a balloon sleeve, but like not too much. And this one also ties up in the back, and it's absolutely gorgeous. You can wear it with like a jacket on top, some tights and boots, or you can wear it on its own when the weather gets better. So very versatile and very pretty. The next thing I got was this beautiful sweater, which is white, and it has basically the same silhouette as the pink one that I'm wearing. It's kind of more loose. It's also crop, but this one has a hoodie on, and the colors, I thought they were beautiful. Pastels are so trendy. This season actually Primark had this whole area dedicated to only pastels. This one has some lilac green and brown, and I think it looks so beautiful. And I don't know, I don't really own many like white clothes, so I thought that I should try it out, like something different, and I'm in love so far. Another thing that must be a basic in your closet is like a basic plain white t-shirt. I like this one because it's like loose, but at the same time not like super big. And this one you can wear it as is with something on top, or you can knot it or like tuck it in your shorts or pants, depending for the look that you're going for. So I thought this one was very versatile, very fresh, and like basic. Like it's a must in your closet. Another basic t-shirt that I got was this one, which is in the same pastel tones that I was telling you about. This one is not as loose as the previous one, but at the same time it's not fitted. But it's like super fresh and so soft, you have no idea. And I think this is so perfect for the spring and summer, so fresh but at the same time so simple that you can do a lot of things with it. Okay, so as I told you that I have an obsession with yellow, I got this yellow shirt with like white spots on it. I think it's super pretty. It's kind of cropped but like loose. You can wear it as is, or you can tie it or tuck it. It's so pretty. And I got another one that is basically the same but different color, which is this blue with, white with blue stripes, and they are basically the same. They are very fresh, and the fit they got is like very flattering, so I'm very excited to wear them. Okay, so last but not least, for Primark, I got a few hair accessories, one of them being this like hair bands that are very trendy right now. They are like very retro because like you used to see these things in the 80s. That's why I told you that I would feel like I was dressed like in the 80s. So this pack came with 3, which is black, gold, and animal print. These are very useful. I've worn them in like half ups like this, also ponytails or buns, and they look so cute. So yes, this is one of the things that I got for my hair. The other thing I got was this kind of like bandana. I already have a black one and I really used it last summer, so I wanted to get a red one because I think it stands out, it pops out. So this one you can wear it in your head, in your neck, in your wrist, and you can also use it as an accessory for your bag. Here they have like a few pictures of all the things that you can do with it. It was only $3 and I love it. Okay, so those are all the things that I got at Primark. Moving on to Forever 21. I got this gorgeous cardigan and it's like so pretty. It's like fluffy and heavy, but it's also so like, I don't know, like comfy, and I think that this brick orange color is so pretty. This was on the sale section. Original price is $25. I paid $8 for it, so it was a deal, like a huge deal. So this sweater I got it because of the shirt dress that I showed you before. One of the lines that it has is exactly the same color, so I was like, okay, so if I get this sweater I can actually wear that dress during this season that is still a bit cold. So that's the reason I got it, and I'm in love. Next thing that I got at Forever 21 was this gorgeous blouse. I don't know what to say about it. I think it looks like candy. It's so sweet. I love the colors. Again, we have the pastels showing and white. So I think this will look so pretty in the summertime with like a pair of white jeans or wash denim. Oh my god, I'm so excited to wear this. And the last thing I got at Forever 21 was this gorgeous white purse that if you saw my previous video, you saw me how to style this one. If you didn't see it, I'm gonna leave you the link down below. But this gorgeous purse is so versatile because you can wear it like as in your shoulder, but you can also wear it as a belt purse because it has this strap that you can adjust and you can put it around your waist and it goes like this. So this purse is so cute. The size is like perfect because it fits all of your essentials, plus it's white, so I know I'm going to use it a lot this summer season, and I am very excited, and it looks gorgeous when you have it on. Okay, so this was one of the last things I got, which was this one, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's red and it's lace and it's like off shoulder. It looks so pretty when you have it on, and I thought it was perfect for Valentine's Day. This is actually what I wore for Valentine's Day. So I think that red is a color that is gorgeous and it looks absolutely beautiful in anyone. This dress, you can dress it up or down. You can wear it with heels, or you can wear it with like a denim jacket on top and a pair of sneakers, and it will look absolutely gorgeous as well. So I'm very excited for this dress and I cannot wait to wear it again. Okay, so while I was going around all the shops, I went into Zara to check out the sale section, and I found this gorgeous sweater, which is the same kind of like brick orange color that I showed you before. But this sweater, I like it because it's like loose and super comfy, but it's also kind of like cropped. It's still a sweater, but I think it's perfect for when the weather is changing, so that's the reason I got it. And it was only like $9, so it was a deal as well. Okay, so last but not least, I went into Macy's because I was looking for some black boots because my black pair of boots got completely destroyed. I like to walk a lot. So I basically walked so much that I went through the sole of my old boots, so they are completely ruined and I was like in urgent need of new ones. I went into Macy's and I found this gorgeous, absolutely beautiful boots. Look how shiny they are. I am so happy. They are so pretty, they're so comfortable, and the sole is thick. This is gonna last me for a good amount of time, considering how much I like walk and how much I wear my black boots. Like I basically wear them every single day. So these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. They're so stylish. The only thing that I'm worried about is that the stones are gonna come out. So I'm trying to be very careful and like don't walk into things. We'll see how that goes. The second thing I found was basically the same but white and leather. So this one doesn't have rhinestones on it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I thought it was like so unique. It has this like lace in the back, blue and white, and it has black laces. It also comes with this like black and white laces, and I also bought a pair of red laces because I think they're gonna look super pretty with red laces. These ones are so soft, like you have no idea how soft these are. So they're so comfortable, even more than the black ones. And I don't know, I never had a pair of white boots before. This is my first one, and I'm already in love with them, and I haven't even wear them. But yeah, they have the same thick sole in the bottom, so they're gonna last me a lot. Both of them are Steve Madden, so they were like 50% off. 50% off. So for the both of them, basically paid the price of if I would have bought one of them regular price. So very, very good deal as well. And those are all my purchases for the spring and summer season. I hope you like them. As always, I'm gonna leave you all the links down below of all the things I can find. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe down below. And as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!